Kia ora, ko Akeisha hau, he uri tēnei no Waikato Tainui, ngā kuki airani, Tonga Hoki. I am 17 years old. I'm from Waikato Tainui, and mostly I've been living in Manurewa, but basically I've just grown up in all of South Auckland. I love engaging with kids. I don't know, I just like kids, I just love kids. And I'm passionate about te ao Māori and kapahaka as well. I would say I'm passionate about te ao Māori because I've grown up in te ao Māori. Mostly in the ngahere because of my mum. I think just having the ngahere helps me understand like a connection, like that humans aren't the only living beings here. Like there's also the ngahere, the moana. So when we were little, she always used to take us into the ngahere just to go get her medicine and everything. And you know, basics always did karakia before taking off a row, and taking off the kawakawa with the holes in it. Oh, when we were little, my mum always told us to never step on the roots or something, or just like a little plant. She's like, don't step on them, those are tiny mahita's children. And then like that kind of stuff. Just, you know, as a kid you wouldn't really understand, but as you grow older, you know, you start to understand. I'm mostly at school just for kapahaka, but not, you know, I can't say that because obviously I have to be there for education. But if it wasn't for kapahaka, I think I'd be gone by now. Yeah, but it encourages me to do, you know, try and do better in school. Because obviously if I don't do better, I'm not gonna make the team, not gonna make the cut. The first time I performed was in 2016 for my primary school, Te Kura ko ngā Manurewa. That was my first time. But throughout those years I've just developed in Te Ao Haka, and now I'm in Ngā Puna Waiorea, and yeah, I just love it. When it comes, in terms of wairua, you can't really be taught that. That's just something you have to do on your own. It's just knowing, for me it's knowing who I am and who I've come from, and just using them to, you know, and putting it into the way I perform. Because, you know, when I'm performing, it's not just me, it's also my family, my hapu, my iwi, my ancestors. He kaikea kuringa would, to me, signify growth, or the knowledge that you have in terms of, you know, knowing this or knowing that. But for me, I would say he kaikea kuringa, I would say giving back. Giving back, you know, he kaikea kuringa, if you have food and someone else doesn't, you know, giving knowledge away, giving what you know to someone who doesn't know.